What's up? What's popping? It's your girl Jazz. So you guys, I know you're probably like, what are you doing? So you read by this title, I am doing a DIY. Okay, so I ordered these butterflies off of Amazon, which I'm gonna show you guys in this clip. I think they were like $6.99 or $8.99, and I came up with this idea because originally me and Cartier, Devon and Chris were supposed to go to a birthday party this weekend, but my friend canceled her daughter's birthday party, and I was so excited because I was like, I'm gonna create a little outfit or whatever, but I'm still gonna do it because we can probably, like, you know, take pictures in it and just give you guys something to do, you know? So I'm gonna show y'all my steps of what I'm doing if I can get this darn safety thing out the wall. Okay, finally. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all, and yes, I'm in Cartier's room. She's asleep, and Chris is watching a movie, but he's able to see Cartier as well, so this is my perfect opportunity. So I'm gonna show you guys. So I got me, so this is the funny part. I got me some kids leggings. I could fit them, okay? These are kind of big, so these are like a extra large 14-16 girl, and they're like capri leggings. Okay, so I got those. And then I got a kid's shirt, and this was $3.98, and the leggings were $3.98. So this is for me. And also, so I got Cartier, a little shirt, okay, 2T, and this is $3.88. And then I got her some little shorts, and these are 24 months, but she could fit these because they're stretch. And these are $3.88 too. So this all came to a total of like, right here it says $12. Okay, well it should come up to like $14. I think, right? No, that's right. Okay, yeah, I'm over here. I'm done. Okay, so I'm gonna show you guys the butterflies and stuff because they're so freaking pretty. Okay, hold on. Okay, you guys, so these are the butterflies, okay? And I ordered a 40 piece, okay? And hopefully, I was hoping I would have some left over so that I could actually, put them on some jeans for me. That's what I was thinking about too. So I'm gonna go ahead and shut up, and I'm just gonna record and you guys watch and see how I do it. Okay, so right now, you guys, what I'm doing is I'm seeing if this clear piece is supposed to come off, which of course it doesn't. So now I'm seeing like where I'm going to really place the butterflies on my shirt and her shirt and etc., etc. Also, FYI, do not iron on foam. So Cartier's mats are like a foam or whatever, and I ironed on them and I started to burn them. So do not. I should have put like a sheet or a towel underneath, which I wasn't thinking. But you should be like ironing on a board, like an ironing board or something. I'm being real ghetto, so don't do me, honey. But right now I'm placing the butterflies on our shirts to see like where I really want them to be at, as far as colors and etc. So yeah. So all right. Peace out. Okay, so I'm gonna show y'all what they look like so far. So this is Mama's shirt. Can y'all see that? And this is super cute. Oh. Okay, so that's Mama's shirt. And this is my shirt. And I think I'm gonna cut the neck part off just so that it could be a little more like, you know, sexy. I don't know. I'm not for sure yet, so when you see pictures, then you'll know. But now I'm gonna go ahead and do our bottoms, and that would be it. Okay, you guys, so I finally finished. Bruh. Okay, let me show y'all what I did. Okay, which I should have known better. That was so stupid of me. Okay, so look what happened. Do y'all see that? This is Mama's shorts, okay? So I am about to take another butterfly, and it has to be a big one. So this pink one, I'm gonna put this, I'm going to put this right here. And I should have known, you guys, that was really slow of me. Okay, so, so bad. Okay. So because mommy made a oopsie, mommy has to add another butterfly. But it's okay. When you do this, warning, do not do it on this foam thingy, whatever it is. It's not safe, okay? If you do have an ironing board, which I don't have one, I'm being real ghetto. I don't have an ironing board, so I'm sitting on the floor, being ghetto, on the mat, okay? I should have known better. I should have really known better. Okay. Okay, so now I'm done. Let me turn off this. Okay, so you guys, here's Mama's shorts. If y'all can see, I'm trying to make sure the light, okay, that's the best it's gonna get. And that's the back, okay? And then y'all see Mama's shirt, super cute. Okay, and then my leggings, okay? Can y'all see that? I was gonna put some on my butt, but then I was like, no, that's leggings, so we're not gonna do that, okay? And then my shirt, okay? And that is really it, you guys. This is my first DIY, okay? Do it yourself. So this is my first one, and I plan on doing more, and I plan on getting even more creative. I'm gonna show you guys the steps of doing everything, because nowadays everybody has the same stuff, and I don't really like Cartier having the same stuff as everybody, and I don't like having the same stuff either. So you're gonna see me probably do these a lot more, and I'm gonna start ordering more little things to do. Honey, is super easy, and you want to be creative, and you want your child. Y'all can do twinsies, because this is twinsy for me and Cartier, okay? So that's really it. So like, comment, subscribe, turn on your post notification bells, and share. Pieces.